Hello, welcome to China Mosaic. I'm Wang Xiaohui for China.org.cn. As the first half of 2020 has passed, the Chinese economy has now recovered from the impact of COVID-19. However, new changes have also aroused concerns about how to restore the operation of industrial chains, promote their development, and ensure their security. At the number 18 plant of Sanni Heavy Industry, a heavy equipment manufacturer in Changsha, the capital of Hunan province, nearly 100 intelligent robots work ceaselessly every day, performing tasks like cargo handling and assembly. Viewers of our previous program may well be familiar with this smart factory. Now, almost the entire factory is covered by 5G signal. By promoting the 5G plus industrial internet strategy, Changsha is consolidating its world-renowned engineering machinery industry. This is just a part of Changsha's efforts to boost smart manufacturing and upgrade its industrial chains under the current circumstances. In the first half of this year, Changsha developed 22 industrial chains, including those designed for new energy vehicles, intelligent connected enterprises, as well as AI and robotics. In January, Huawei's autonomous driving cloud service platform, Octopus, was launched in Changsha, marking a major step in the city's journey to becoming a leader in self-driving technology. In March, a national-level 5G-based video lab featuring multiple application scenarios was also unveiled in the city. With the help of technologies such as 5G, augmented reality, and mixed reality, remote surgery has been successfully conducted under guidance sent from the lab. Changsha is making great efforts to boost smart manufacturing and pursue breakthroughs in core technologies within key fields. Statistics show that thanks to the 22 industrial chains, the city has attracted 63 investment projects, each worth over 200 million yuan, with a total planned investment value of more than 100 billion yuan. Important downtown areas, scenic spots, and industrial parks in the city have all been covered by 5G network. Software enterprises in Changsha have created around 40,000 new jobs, and a number of well-known companies, including Alibaba, have settled down in the city. Despite the impact of COVID-19, the development of industrial chains has helped Changsha achieve unexpected progress toward quality growth. In the first half of the year, its GDP increased by 2.2% year-on-year, returning to positive growth after a contraction in the first quarter. This represents the general trajectory of the economy across much of China over this period. Changsha epitomizes China's efforts to promote the development of industrial chains, which will further advance the country's economic recovery and restructuring. Such efforts will, in turn, facilitate the operation of the global industrial chain and contribute to a worldwide economic recovery. Thank you for watching.